Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your computer class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your computer class. So students, in our previous session, as you know that we have started with the question answers from the chapter number 1, that is history of computer. Okay, so we have already done up to question number 4. Okay, so along with the questions we have done the MCQs and the question up to 4. So today I am again going to start with the question answers, and today we will continue with the next few questions that are left, that is from question number 5. So first of all, the topic is chapter number 1. Name of the topic is history of computer. This is the topic, or you can say this is the chapter name. Chapter name क्या है? That is history of computer. Now, so we were doing question answers, and up to question number 4 we have done. Today we will start with question number 5. So let's begin with the answer. Okay, and just make sure that all of you write down the answers along with the questions. आपको सिर्फ answers नहीं लिखने बेटा, you need to write down the questions as well in the notebook. Clear? With the proper pencil. चलिए. So the question number 5 is, name the 5 key features that Charles Babbage used in his analytical engine. Okay. So you know Charles Babbage is known as the father of computer. तो Charles Babbage को father of computer कहा जाता है. So what was the reason behind it? So the reason behind it was that he has invented. उसको भी reason ये था कि उन्होंने एक ऐसा उन्होंने 5 फीचर्स दिए थे ऑफ द कंप्यूटर, की फीचर्स जिसके ऊपर पूरा जो कंप्यूटर सिस्टम है दैट इज कम्प्लीटली डिपेंड अपॉन दैट, एंड दैट 5 की फीचर्स वर गिवन बाय चार्ल्स बैबेज. तो किसने दिए थे? चार्ल्स बैबेज ने. Okay, so this is the question, that name the 5 key features that Charles Babbage used in his analytical engine. So the 5 key features that were used by Charles Babbage in his analytical engine was storage, control unit, processing, input devices and output devices. So these are the 5 keys features that were given by Charles Babbage, and on these 5 principles, or you can say 5 keys, on these 5 key principles the whole computer works. इन्हीं 5 की फीचर्स के ऊपर जो पूरा कंप्यूटर है जो काम करता है. Okay, so the question is, name the 5 key features that Charles Babbage used in his analytical engine. So the 5 key features given by Charles Babbage are, okay, लिखिए the 5 key features, the 5 key features used by Charles Babbage in the 5 key features used by Charles Babbage. Sorry, not from here. The 5 key features used by Charles Charles. The 5 key features used by Charles Babbage in his analytical analytical, which is used by Charles Babbage in his analytical engine. Were कौन से थे? So these 5 features we are going to write in points. Okay, so first one was input. The first one was input. Okay, the second feature was storage. That was storage. आप डेस्क के नीचे नीचे लिखिएगा, ओके, बिकॉज अगर मैं ज़्यादा नीचे लिखूंगी तो दैट विल बी नॉट विजिबल फॉर यू, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई राइट असाइड, बट यू आर गोइंग टू राइट इट डाउनवर्ड्स ओनली. दैट इज storage. Third was processor. Third one was processor. PROCESSOR. The third one was processor. Moving next to the fourth. So fourth was control unit. The fourth was control unit. The fourth one is control unit. The fifth is output device. The fifth is output device. The fifth is output device. So these are the 5 key features that Charles Babbage, who is known as the father of computer, okay, so these 5 key features were given by Charles Babbage, okay, and these 5 key features he has also used in his analytical engine. The first is input, second is storage, third is processor, fourth is control unit, and the fifth is output device. Okay, so you can pause the video here and note it down in your notebooks. Note it fast in a clear and good handwriting. Chaliye, moving next to the question number 6. Okay, so the 6th question that is given here. What was the use of Hermann Hollerith's tabulating machine? Okay, now we are moving to the next. What was the use of Hermann Hollerith's tabulating machine? So जो Hermann Hollerith ने tabulating machine introduce की थी, उसका use क्या था? What was the use of that? So देखिए, if you remember, Hermann Hollerith, he is known as he has started the most फेमस MNCs of nowadays, that is IBM. तो IBM, हरमन जो हॉलरिथ थे, उन्होंने IBM कंपनी स्टार्ट की थी बिकॉज जो उनकी टैबुलेटिंग मशीन जो उन्होंने कॉन्सेप्ट दिया था कैलकुलेटिंग डिवाइस का, दैट बिकेम वेरी सक्सेसफुल, और जिसके बाद उन्होंने अपनी एक कंपनी शुरू कर दी, दैट इज़ नोन एज IBM. द फुल नेम इज़ इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस मशीन. Okay, so that tabulating machine that was invented by Hermann Hollerith, what was the use of that? उसको use किया किस लिए गया? So that tabulating machine was used for making the calculations only, but the function of that tabulating machine was so simple और so इतना easy था कि that any person can मतलब कोई भी person था मतलब can make number of calculation at a very short period of time. तो थोड़े से ही टाइम में बहुत सारी कैलकुलेशन वो कर सकता था. दिस वॉज द की फीचर, और यू कैन से दिस वॉज द मेन एक उसका प्लस पॉइंट था. ओके, जिसके लिए तो टैबलेटिंग मशीन द कैलकुलेटर वॉज यूज एज द कैलकुलेटिंग डिवाइस, उसकी वजह से जो उन्होंने कैलकुलेशंस की थी, लाइक कैलकुलेशंस ऑफ द सेंसस ऑफ USA. तो USA के सेंसस मीन्स कैलकुलेशन ऑफ काउंट ऑफ पॉपुलेशन. सो जब किसी भी कंट्री की पॉपुलेशन को काउंट करते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज सेंसस. तो व्हेन द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ USA दे वर कैलकुलेटिंग द सेंसस ऑफ USA, so at that time they found it difficult to calculate, so they have started calculating their census with the help of the tabulating machine invented by Hermann Hollerith. So the question is, what was the use of Hermann Hollerith tabulating machine? So the Hermann Hollerith tabulating machine was used in census, okay, of the USA. Okay, what was the use? So it is used for making calculation, and that's why it was used for calculating that. देखिए पहले हम लिखेंगे वो calculations के लिए use की जाती थी, ये उसका use था. And second thing, and इसीलिए उसको it was used for calculating the population or the census of United States or United States of America. तो लिखिए आंसर नंबर 6. Okay, so We will move exactly with the answer from the question only. So question is, what was the use of Hermann Holrich tabulating machine? Okay. So Hermann Hollerith, Hollerith apostrophe S. Hermann Holrich tabulating machine. Hermann Holrich tabulating Hermann Holrich tabulating machine was used for calculating, इसलिए use की गई थी. So Hermann Holrich's calculating machine was used for calculating the census of the USA, for calculating the census, or you can say the population, for calculating the census of the USA. So USA की calculation को calculate करने के लिए the Hermann Holrich tabulating machine was being used by the government of USA. Okay. So Hermann Holrich tabulating machine was used for calculating the census of the USA. So don't forget the meaning of census. Census का मतलब क्या होता है बेटा? Census means to count the population of a country. Clear? चलिए. Moving next to the question number 7. So this is the question number 6. Okay, answer number 6. Sorry. And you can pause it here. इसको यहाँ पे pause करके इसको लिखिए. And kindly, I'm just telling you again and again and repeating it again and again. Kindly note, complete the work in a proper handwriting. Clear? चलिए. Moving next to the question number 7. Answer number 7. Okay. So the question number 7 is, when and by whom was the first PC developed? किसने और कब? Sorry, कब and किसने? When and by whom was the first PC developed? PC means personal computers. Okay. तो सबसे पहला जो PC है किसने इंट्रोड्यूस किया था? The first PC was introduced or was invented by the IBM. Okay. सबसे पहला PC किसने करवाया था? That was introduced by the IBM. Okay. So question is, who invented the first PC? So in the year 1984, कब और किसने? So in 1984, the IBM company introduced or invented invented the personal computers, or you can call it as PC. Okay, the question is not invented, but it is developed. So we will use the word developed only. So in the year 1984, the IBM company developed PCs or personal computer. Okay, question के accordingly चलेंगे बेटा. When in 1984, the IBM की फुल फॉर्म भी लिख लीजिए ताकि आपको याद करना आसान होगा. International business machine. This is the full form of this company IBM. So in the year 1984, the IBM International Business Machine company developed DEVELOPED, developed the IBM International Business Machine Company developed the first PC. So the full form of PC we need to write it as well. That is personal computers. That is personal computers. Personal computers. Okay. So the first PC. Okay. So which company has developed the first PC or the personal computer? That is IBM. So the full form of IBM is International Business Machine. So this company has introduced the first or developed the first PCs for the home user. उनका मेन एम था बेटा ताकि जो घर में जो लोग रह रहे हैं, ओके, दो द अर्लियर द कंप्यूटर वाज बीइंग यूज्ड फॉर द कमर्शियल वर्क ओनली, पहले इसको कमर्शियल वर्क के लिए भी यूज़ किया जाता था, बट आईबीएम ने एक स्टेप लिया कि दैट दीज कंप्यूटर्स और दीज पीसी शुड बी अवेलेबल टू द होम यूजर्स एज वेल. So that's why they have introduced this PC or developed this PC in the year 1984. Don't forget the year, that is 1984. Chaliye. So this was the questions. Okay. Now in the next is the part C that is given in the book. Read the clues and name the machines. Okay. So first of all, you can just note these are the answer number 7 from here by pausing the video here only. Okay. So first of all, just pause the video and note your answers here. Now we will move to the next, the C part. Okay, so let's move to the C part. Okay, again, this the C part is what? These are here in the C part, they have given the random clues and we have to read the clues and name the machines. Okay, this is the C part. Read the clues and name the machines. Name the machines. Okay, this is okay. So here they have given such some clues. उन्होंने कुछ clues दिए हुए हैं and हमें उन machines को बताना है कि the clues is about what machine, किस machine के बारे में वो clue दिया गया है. So this is what we need to write here. So the first is, it was the first counting machine. So the first clue about the first machine that is given, it was the first counting machine. ये सबसे पहली counting machine है. This is the it was the first counting machine. So which is the first counting machine? So the first counting machine was abacus. So सबसे पहली counting machine कौन सी थी? That was abacus. Okay. So the answer for the first is, that is abacus. A B A C U S. So abacus was the first counting machine and it was developed by, so not developed, it was invented. Okay, so abacus was invented by Chinese near about 5,000 years ago. आज से 5,000 साल पहले जो चाइनीज थे उन्होंने अबैकस की इन्वेंशन की थी. ओके, एंड नाउअडेज, सो इट वाज अ ग्रेट स्टेप इन द मैनकाइंड. एक सबसे बड़ा स्टेप था कि दैट इसने की जो कंसेप्ट ऑफ काउंटिंग को इजी कर दिया. तो अर्लियर जो अर्ली मेंस थे, दे मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया है, दे यूज टू मेक कैलकुलेशंस थ्रू पेबल्स, बोन्स, स्टिक्स. ओके, एंड इट टेक देम द लॉट्स ऑफ टाइम, बिकॉज इससे करने से उनको बहुत टाइम लगता था. So they have started thinking of some measure so that they can make the calculations easily. So then they came over this concept of abacus, okay, and which is still being used in the pre-primary and the primary schools. आज भी these abacus are being used for teaching the students about the, आज भी बच्चों को calculations के लिए इसको use किया जाता है, सिखाने के लिए. That is abacus. Moving next to the second one. Okay, so the numbers were marked on rectangular rods. So now we are talking about the another calculating device जिसमें कि जो numbers थे वो एक rectangular rod के ऊपर लिखे गए. So the numbers were marked on rectangular rod. So what is that? That is Napier's bones. That is Napier's bones. So जो Napier bones हैं उन्होंने वो एक कैलकुलेटिंग डिवाइस है दैट वाज इन्वेंटेड बाय जॉन नेपियर. तो जॉन नेपियर ने एक काउंटिंग डिवाइस इंट्रोड्यूस किया था जिसका नाम था नेपियर बोन्स. ओके, एंड दैट वाज आल्सो यूज्ड फॉर मेकिंग द कैलकुलेशन. सो इट इज मेड दिस दैट नेपियर्स बोन्स इज ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर, इट इज अ रेक्टेंगुलर रॉड एंड सर्टेन नंबर्स आर रिटन ऑन इट फॉर मेकिंग the fundamental calculations in mathematics. So that is Napier bones. It's Napier or Napiers? Napiers. Apostrophe S is there. Okay, this is the apostrophe Napier's bones. BONEN. That is Napier's apostrophe S. Okay, so they have here in the. They were using the Napier's bones. Apostrophe S is there along with the Napiers. Third one is I was used in census. तो अभी अब देखिए हमने क्वेश्चन भी किया था. That machine was also used for calculating the census of USA. तो इस मशीन को यूज किया गया था USA के सेंसस को कैलकुलेट करने के लिए. So what is the name of the machine? That was tabulating machine. Okay, so that was a tabulating machine invented by Herman Holweg. Herman Holweg ने की थी. That is tabulating machine. That is tabulating machine. That was tabulating machine. Moving next to the fourth one. My principle is still used today in watermeter and speedometer. Okay, so now we are talking about the thing that जिसका प्रिंसिपल आज भी वाटरमीटर और स्पीडोमीटर में यूज किया जाता है. सो दैट इज यूज्ड इन पास्कलाइन. सो जो पास्कलाइन का जो कैलकुलेटिंग डिवाइस था उसके जो प्रिंसिपल्स हैं, ओके, दैट इज स्टिल बीइंग यूज्ड फॉर मेकिंग द जो देखिए आपको जो एक अपडेट योर नॉलेज दिया है पेज नंबर 4 पे, वहाँ पे आपको मैंने बताया भी था. द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ पास्कलाइन इज स्टिल यूज टुडे इन वाटरमीटर, ओडोमीटर एंड स्पीडोमीटर. तो इन सब चीज़ों में भी ये कैलकुलेटर, ये दीज आर ऑल द कैलकुलेटिंग डिवाइस जो कि अलग अलग चीज़ों की कैलकुलेशन के लिए यूज होता है. ओके, सो व्हाट वाज दैट इज पास्कलाइन. दैट वाज पास्कलाइन. ओके, इन्वेंटेड बाय ब्लेस पास्कल. तो ब्लेस पास्कल ने जो पास्कलाइन डिवाइस कैलकुलेट किया था, ओके, दैट इज पास्कलाइन एंड दैट इज स्टिल बीइंग यूज्ड. उसके प्रिंसिपल्स आज भी स्पीडोमीटर वगैरह में यूज कर रहे. दैट इज PASCALINE. That is Pascaline. Clear? So these are the clues. Those are given in the book, and we have written the answers as well. That is, the first is abacus, second is Napier bones, third is tabulating machine, and the fourth is Pascaline. Okay. Chalo, now we'll move to the matching. So true false we'll do later on. So first of all, let's do the matching. Okay, so let's do the matching, and true false we'll do in the next session. Okay, so let's do the matching. That is more important here. Okay, so this is the E. Now I'm beginning with the matching. So I'm going to write the correct answer in the front of the correct question. Okay, of course, if you want to use the numbers to give the answers, you can use that, or whatever method you can use. So that you think better. The first is, this is column A. This is column A, and this is B. Okay, so the column A, the first question is ENIAC and UNIVAC. That is ENIAC and UNIVAC. So what are these? ये दोनों क्या हैं? So ENIAC and UNIVAC These were the first generation computers or the computers of the first generation, and these were developed by, किसने develop किए थे? That was John Mauchly and John Eckert. John Mauchly और John Eckert ने this ENIAC and ENIAC computer, the first generation computers were invented by these two. The answer is, that is option number D. Option number D, that is John Mauchly, Mauchly, and John Mauchly and John John, John Eckert, Eckert, that is John Eckert and John Mauchly. They have invented this ENIAC and Dunbar. Clear? Moving to the second, step reckoner. So who is the inventor of step reckoner? Step reckoner किसने invent किया था? That is step reckoner. Step reckoner was invented by whom? So step reckoner was invented by Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz. Okay, that is option number F. That is option number F. That is Gottfried. That is Gottfried Wilhelm, Wilhelm von Leibniz, Leibniz. That is Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz. So he has invented this step reckoner. Moving next to the third one. The third is Pascaline. So who has invented Pascaline? So Pascaline was invented by Blaise Pascal. So the third is Pascaline. That is Pascaline. And who has invented Pascaline? So Pascaline was invented by Blaise Pascal. That is option number G. That is Blaise Pascal. So Blaise Pascal has invented Pascaline. Moving next to the fourth. The next is Napier's bone. This is another calculating device, that is Napier's bones. So who has invented Napier's bone? So Napier's bone calculating device was invented by John Napier. So उन्होंने अपने ही नाम के इस डिवाइस का नाम रखा था. That is option number A. That is John Napier. That is John Napier. He has invented this Napier bones calculating device. Next is fifth, analytical engine. That is analytical engine. Analytical engine was invented by whom? So analytical engine was invented by the father of computer, that is Charles Babbage. Okay, so analytical invention was invented by Charles Babbage, the father of computer. Clear? So these are the answers for the 3, 4 and 5. Moving next to the sixth one. The sixth is tabulating machine. The sixth calculating device is tabulating machine. So who has invented tabulating machine? So tabulating machine was invented by Hermann Hollerith. That is option number E. That is Hermann Hollerith. Hollerith. So tabulating machine was invented by Hermann Hollerith. Moving next to the last, that is Mark First. Next is Mark First. So Mark First was invented by Howard Akins. That is option number B. Howard Akins. Aikens. Howard Akins. So this is the answer of the last two matching. The sixth is tabulating machine, seventh is Mark First. Okay, so with this, I'm just ending the today's session here only class. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody have a great day.